So I'm on my way to meet my business partner, David, for something we call a whiteboard session. I love whiteboard sessions. It's fantastic. So we're going to meet, and what we're going to talk about is 3 scenarios. I think it's so important. So many times I see people come up with 2 scenarios, and the problem with 2 scenarios is either or. Most people forget this third option, which is kind of a both and. And sometimes, many times, the both and model is amazing. It is like the best option. So next time you're in a situation where you're talking with somebody and they say, well, you could do this or this, just say, you know what, if we could do a third option, what would that look like? And what begins to happen is you begin to blow people's brains. You begin to blow their minds. They suddenly think, oh my gosh, I wasn't even thinking about that. And here's what's funny. I once had a friend who was in a situation where the person said, it's just this or this, that's it. It's just this or this. And he said, are you sure? Yep, it's just this or this. And he said, you know what, I understand that. But if we could do this, what would it look like? And the guy mapped out an entirely new third option. And my friend just chuckled and he just smiled to himself because, again, this guy was locked in and he didn't even see the possibility until he said, I get it. It's not possible, but if it were. Use those magic words next time. Agree with the person. Don't dishonor them and say, you know, I totally get it. I totally understand. If we could do a third option, what would that look like? And suddenly it happens. I did this recently with a property that we purchased and a different property that we sold. The banker was saying, look, man, it's either this financing or this. And I said, okay, but I get that. But what if we could do this? And I know nothing about banking. I know nothing about properties and financing or any of that stuff. But suddenly the banker's like, you know, we probably could do that because of this, and this. And I don't even know what they did to make it work. But the point is this. So many times people cannot see past the rules. They can't see past the guidelines, the policies that they've been, taught all through school. Use the magic words. I understand, but if it were possible, what would this look like? I'll let you know how it goes with David and I. We're not doing this, but we are doing the third option. And I think that that's the option that's going to work. I'll let you know. We'll see you.